Hi friends, I am Narenthar of Standard 12 from Saitechinfo, going to explain three problems from vector algebra in metric syllabus. I am going to explain question number 1, 2, 3 from in-text question. Hope you will understand this topic by watching this video. Before going to the video, please subscribe to Saitechinfo channel for getting better educational videos. If you like this video, please raise the thumbs up button. Okay, let's get into the video. First, let us discuss about the terms and definition. First, scalar triple product. For any three vectors a vector, b vector and c vector, scalar triple product defined as a vector dot b vector into c vector or a vector, b vector, c vector. A vector dot b vector into c vector is equals to determinant of a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Second, cyclic order of vector. Cyclic order of vector a vector, b vector and c vector is maintained then values of STP is same. A vector dot b vector into c vector is equals to b vector dot c vector into a vector is equals to c vector dot a vector into b vector. Third, unit vectors. For mutually perpendicular vectors I vector, j vector, k vector is equals to I vector dot j into k vector is equals to j dot k into I vector is equals to k vector dot I vector into j vector is equals to 1. Fourth, coplanar. If a vector dot b vector into c vector is equals to 0, then three vectors a vector, b vector and c vector are coplanar. Parallelopiped. If a vector, b vector and c vector are three sides of a coterminous edges of a parallelopiped, then volume V of the parallelopipe is V is equals to a vector, b vector, c vector is equals to a vector dot b vector into c vector. Let us discuss the first problem. Show that the vectors I vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector, 2i vector minus j vector plus 2k vector and 3i vector plus j vector minus k vector are coplanar. Let us discuss about the solution. Here a vector is equals to I vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector, b vector is equals to 2i vector minus j vector plus 2k vector, c vector is equals to 3i vector plus j vector minus k vector. We know that a vector, b vector and c vector are coplanar if and only if a vector, b vector, c vector is equals to 0. Now let us solve the determinant. A vector, b vector, c vector is equals to determinant of 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1. Then the value becomes 0. Therefore, the three given vectors are coplanar. Okay, let us discuss about the second question. Determine whether the three vectors 2i vector plus 3j vector plus k vector, I vector minus 2j vector plus 2k vector, 3i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector are coplanar. Let us discuss about the solution. Here a vector is equals to 2i vector plus 3j vector plus k vector, b vector is equals to I vector minus 2j vector plus 2k vector, c vector is equals to 3i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector. We know that a vector, b vector and c vector are coplanar if and only if a vector, b vector and c vector is equals to 0. Let us find the determinant of a vector, b vector and c vector. Therefore, the determinant value is equals to minus 2. Therefore, the three vectors given are not coplanar. Okay, let us discuss about the third question. If a vector is equals to minus 3i vector minus j vector plus 5k vector, b vector is equals to I vector minus 2j vector plus k vector, comma c vector is equals to 4j vector minus 5k vector. Find a vector dot b vector into c vector. Solution. By the definition of scalar triple product of three vectors, a vector dot b vector into c vector is equals to minus 3 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 4 5 1 minus 5. We want to find the determinant value. Minus 3 into 10 minus 4 plus 1 into minus 5 minus 0 plus 5 into 4 minus 0 minus 3 into 6 plus 1 into minus 5 plus 5 into 4 minus 18 minus 5 plus 20 minus 23 plus 20. Therefore, the determinant value is minus 3. Okay, let us discuss about the model problem mapping of scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. First, finding the scalar triple product if three vectors are given. A vector into b vector into c vector is equals to a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. We want to find the determinant value. Second, verify whether three vectors are coplanar. A vector comma b vector comma c vector is equals to 0. We want to find the determinant value. Then the value becomes 0. Then the three vectors are coplanar. I hope you have understood these three questions. I believe that you may able to solve any other question regarding this topic. So I have selected 5 questions and I have displayed it to you. So I hope you able to solve these questions. If you found the answer, please put it in the comment box. I hope you have understood this topic. If you like this video, please raise the thumbs up button. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.